Hello everybody, Bluestone here. Well, back, and this time I'm going to show you guys how to transfer files from one computer to another. So here I have my desktop here with a flash drive plugged in. This will be using a flash drive. And I want to put it on this laptop over here, which has USB ports. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'll just create a demo file. So I'm going to say new, let's just make, let's call it a text document. Why not? Let's say, hi, I want to transfer you. Okay. Now this, how in the world do I put it onto this computer? They're on separate computers. You've got to use a flash drive. Actually, you don't have to, but this is the most common way. So what I'll do is, first of all, let's copy this. So right-click it and copy, okay? And let's go down here to File Explorer. If this icon isn't here, you can also search it and do File Explorer. There it is. Okay, this looks at all the files on your computer. If I go to this PC, these are all the drives that are currently connected. I just have a DVD drive and other stuff. This is the flash drive. You can tell because this one says local disk. If the Windows icon says this is the one that's running the computer. This is the one that's attached next to it. It actually has nothing on it. So if I look at it, the flash drive, and I can test to see if this is the actual thing. If I unplug this thing, the window goes away. It's like, oh, it's gone, so we can't look at the file anymore. So if I plug that back in, go back to File Explorer, this drive is what I want to put it on so that I can move it. So I'll right-click just this blank area and say paste. So there you go. Now this hi.txt file is on the flash drive. Now all I have to do is unplug this. The window goes away. Plug it into my laptop here. Oh, come on. Please. Nope. USB superposition. There we go. Okay. And actually blinked. It said, oh, look, there's a flash drive connected. Actually, this one opened up automatically. But if it doesn't, then you can go down here again just to File Explorer. You can search it. File Explorer, looking at the files on the computer. Okay. This PC, and actually it shows up here as well. Here, right over here, there's the hi.txt. Now the file's on this computer. This is very useful. For example, if I had a file on this computer desktop that is not mobile, I wanted to bring it on my laptop, hey, there you go. Use a flash drive to move the data. Now, it is important to note, this computer does not have the file yet. It's just looking at the flash drive, which has the file on it. You can tell, because at the very top, it says it's on the flash drive. What I have to do to put it on the computer is I'll right-click this again, say copy, and I'll just punch it on the desktop. Actually, let's put it on downloads folder this time. I can right-click this blank area and say paste. So now it's on the computer. So even if this 4 gig flash drive over here, even if I unplug it, and now the flash drive isn't there anymore, I can't access the file. Even because I put it on the computer, I can still access it. Hooray! There it is. That's how you transfer files between two computers with a flash drive. Until next time, bye-bye.